Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add a, how to make a girl tag fan game again. But this time, it's only going to take like 5 minutes. So you want to go to the link in the description, you want to go to fan game development, go here, download this zip, yeah, and when you open it, well, this is my main game. This isn't. Oops. Okay. But you want to join that, and then in the description, and then you want to download this zip. Just press the download it, and then unzip it. Unity, add project from this. Find it. Press on it. Add project. I've already added it. Waiting for it to open. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. You have to give credit if you use it. Well, you don't have to, but please do. Yeah, it's just a little map. It has photon and everything, multiplayer. But you need to like set it up. So you want to go to Pun Wizard. If you don't see it, go to window, photon unit, Pun Wizard, and then set up project. And then here, okay. Then you want to go to your photon. You want to find your game. So this is my voice. Oh no, that's app ID. You want to find your real-time ID. It's a tutorial game, I guess. And then set a project, and then close. And then you should have that. And then you want to go to Photon VR Manager. App ID, paste that in. Voice app ID, just paste in your voice. Okay. US. Yeah, and then for server 1, you want to put in your server stuff. So server 1 voice, and then app ID. And then, yeah, okay. So then, if you press play, the hell is it? If you press play, you should see this. I didn't add a player model. You guys are gonna have to add your own player model. But see, here's this. Credits board. Please give credits if you use this. Here's a little a little ramp. It's baked lighting. If you don't see, if it doesn't look like this, just generate lighting. You have to be out of play mode to bake it. Textures. I'll show you how to add your player model now. So yeah, see, there's all these textures. Yeah. Credits for server 1. You guys can look. It's all set up. Everything's set up. So like all you have to do is this. You don't have to deal with any of that. But yeah, you might want to turn off the smoothness and turn these off for this. God, and then for the walls too. Yeah, it'll look 10 times better. Look at this. I should have done that. Whatever, you guys can do it yourself. It has baked lighting. Just need to bake it properly. You have to bake it again because of this. I need to bake it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to add your player model. You don't need to import fast check fabric because I already imported it. Then you wanna import your player model. Right here, player model. Alright, you can texture it however you want. This one video player materials. I have a sweatshirt on. Okay, and then I'm not gonna texture. I don't want to get my texture. You wanna drag this under your head, then you wanna drag in body cosmetics into your head, and then text into your body cosmetics and that into your player model. And then if you have body cosmetics, just put it under body cosmetics. Keep it there though. So you wanna fit this. Actually no, Control Z. You wanna keep these out. Just don't put that under the player model just yet. Just first line it up. You guys won't have this player model though, by the way. You have to get your own. Alright. Once you've done that, just your hand, your body, your head. Turn off the mesh render. You wanna drag body cosmetics and that onto your player model. Move your player name to how you like it. So maybe like that. And then body cosmetics to keep that. And then you want to open up this. Find your hand bones. Cool. No, fast I already imported it, so you guys don't need to import it. Just shoot. Messed up. Fast IK fabric. And okay, this is right hand. So drag in this for the pole. This just like that, boom, right there. And then for the target, drag in right hand. Now for the left hand, drag in this for pole. And left hand for target. And then once you play, your play model should be there. Yep, it's right here. There's no hit sounds yet. Oh, one more thing. Go to resources, filter VR player. Go to your hand bones. Twist it. No. Like that. Make it like that. Then you should be good. You're free to add whatever. Just give credits if you use this, please. See. No lag. No buggy movement. If it does lag, I'll do a tutorial on how to fix it. Everything has colliders. That might not have colliders because I made this sign in Blender. It should. I'm pretty sure I gave it colliders, but Never know. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so hard to hit stuff on. Oh wait, if you press the server button, interesting. Oh, you need to turn on box. Oh wait, it is. It works, and it's probably because Yeah, it should work though. You need to add finger clutters. Oh no, I don't have hand tag. Make your tag hand tag exactly like that spell, and then press play again. So we're not posting for a while, by the way. Oh no, it should work though. Okay, and then let's see if that has colliders now. What am I doing with using the hands? Yep, it has colliders. And then that's really all. Then you have your own Gorilla Tag fan game now. Oh, I didn't add PlayFab. You have to add that yourself. There's gonna be updates, so just look back sometime, and there should be some updates. So yeah. You can. It's a decently sized map. Forest, I mean. And then. Yeah, it should be good. Thank you for watching, and if you consider liking and subbing, because it helps me a lot. So please subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and it helped. So yeah. Anyway, wait, what? Where'd he go? Yippee! Oh god, that's so cursed. Oh my, why is that? What? Wait, so if you keep doing that, you can bro really made a helicopter. Okay. Thank you for watching, and peace.